Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 to show you. Now, I want to preface the video by stating that a lot of noisy communication issues here today. It's very windy. I got a little break in the rain. That's why I'm out here, because I think I'm going to get away without it raining. I've got neighbors that are having a roof put on. Very noisy, and so. But I want you to see the car. It's an excellent car. It's beautiful. So bear with me, if you will, through all these obstacles. But let's just start by indicating that this car is an original garnet red car. It's been restored. It's his original color, garnet red. The paint's been on it quite a long time. You can see some depth there. Of course, you got the power bulge hood and your air extractors. This does have the factory original striping. The wheels and tires, these are SS rally wheels. They are, like a Magnum with a trim ring, Magnum 500 with a trim ring. They're 14s, and of course you got these BF Goodrich radial TAs all around. Car's got an excellent stance. Your call out, 396 call outs there. All the trim and bright work on the car is excellent, as is the glass. This one does have the vinyl top, nice black vinyl top. No issues at all in the vinyl top or under it. Doors align nicely. Take you in the interior. Restored interior as well. The back seat and the dash pad are original to the car. Seats have been restored. The carpets, the headliner. Console, that is a Turbo 400 transmission. AM/FM, factory AM/FM stereo. Headliner, little dome work in there. In the back, you got your 6x9s, and you've got a factory rear window defogger there. Seat belts all around. Very clean, very nice. This is an excellent, excellent driving car as well. Your jambs look good here. Doors shut nice and tight. Again, I mentioned this a second ago, but your vinyl top, just keep in mind, no rust. This is a common area down in here for rust. None whatsoever. Car has no rust in it. It's a really nice, solid car. Very well optioned. Very nicely appointed. Back here, bumperettes on your rear bumper and on the front bumper. That was an extra cost option as well. All your tail light lenses, the reverse lights work. Your SS trim here. And your factory dual exhaust with this shark mouth style exhaust tip, which is original, but I'd also like to say, while I'm thinking about it, this one is equipped with chambered exhaust. And if you don't know what that is exactly, exhaust pipes come down and they're just basically pinched to give it a little bit of muffle. But there is resonators back here, so it's got a very nice muscle car sound to it without sounding buzzy or getting in your ear in the interior or anything. So yeah, that's kind of a nice, cool trait. Over here, let me show you the trunk. Very nice under here. Little trunk light work in there, if you can see that. This does say that it is equipped with a limited slip differential, and it is. They are 331-to-1 gears. Even your spare's got the rally wheel on it. Very clean, very nice. Under here, nice solid trunk floor. I'm telling you, this is nice. Your weather stripping, nice and pliable. Trenches, nice and clean. Should take a moment to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the car, of course, but pictures of the undercarriage as well. Now, it's not super detailed under there, but it's very clean, it's very nice, original, looks excellent. This is a beautiful car. I would love to have this thing myself. I mean, it just drives so nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's truly a beautiful, beautiful car. Very nicely restored. It's been restored quite some time now, finished maybe 25 or so years ago. I should tell you, the SS, or the 396, I'm not sure if it was originally a 325 or a 350 horse. What I do know is it has been rebuilt to 350 horse specs. The transmission's been rebuilt as well as has the differential. All new original style wiring throughout, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning. It's set up tilt, I don't know, not tilt column, but set up just how you want it. Take a look. Please excuse the wind. I know it's very windy, but we tried to do this inside, but it wouldn't cooperate. Horn works. Again, AM, FM stereo. That's original to the car. Again, doors closed nice. Obviously, you know, hardtop. Oh, let me show you this too. I always do this, but you know, glass is nice. Windows roll up and down nice and easy. All four corners, so you're not fighting the windows to roll them up and down. I always like that. Yeah, it's just very well equipped. Drives excellent. That's what I like about it. No squeaks, no rattles when it's driving. When you're driving it, good power. It runs just right. It's got electronic ignition in it. Take a look at that engine here in a second. Up front here, I want to point out too, it's kind of cool. All four headlights are T3 headlights. I think Olga can probably get in there and show you one of those. But all four of them. That's original, as original. Little front spoiler. Another thing I can mention to you, the car doesn't have any oil leaks or antifreeze leaks or power steering leaks. No fluids leaking on the ground at all. SS 396, 350 horse. You got you know, this polished aluminum manifold. Kind of gives it that 396, 375 horse look. You know, the chrome valve covers and whatnot. This is your air conditioning. Now, the inner fender wells here wouldn't have come chrome, but they are chrome. They look pretty good, you know. They don't look overdone or anything. Nice power brakes. You got a under hood light there. Nice big radiator cover. Up under here looks good. Insulation and whatnot. This car is currently owned by the same owner that's owned it for over 30 years. That's nice too. Got a lot of paper on it, you know, throughout the restoration and whatnot, so that's always good. Encourage you to take a look at the website if you're interested in the car. Now, before it rains on us and gets more windy, if that's even possible, I'm going to jump in, take a little quick jaunt around the parking lot for you. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it inside just in case it starts to rain, so Olga will kind of make her way over there and we'll talk for a moment when we get back in the shop. Man, this thing is nice. It's just comfortable, it drives nice, it steers easy, the brakes work perfectly. You know, when you're buying a classic car, you want to be as well informed as possible, and that's why, you know, I wanted to tell you I'm sorry, and I appreciate your patience regarding the wind and the noise and stuff, but I try to show the cars with everything as best I can and describe the cars as best I can. I should say full complement of gauges here. All the gauges work. You got a little tack in there, the SS tack. Yeah, red lines at 55, which would be correct. Everything's right on the car. Little quartz clock. The clock's original, but it has a quartz internal, so actually it'll even keep pretty good time. These quartz clocks actually keep pretty good time here. But transmission shifts beautifully. No howls in the rear end, or no, again, you know, and I mentioned this earlier, no noises and whatnot emanating from the car. It's just a beautiful car. The undercarriage is nice. Everything works, the wipers, the heater, the air, all that stuff, the radio. Yeah, turn the lights off there. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1969 Chevelle SS 396, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.